hello friends, how are you all? I hope you're all going YouTube channel Crypto Index and Index. So guys, first of all, I show you there is a today's video, and guys, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get the latest and the running videos. So guys, today website in my video description, click open the browser, it bring you to this interface. As you can see that this website name is there is a malcoin.lol. Okay, so this is the website cookies. Just click the accept. You can see the interface of this website, the about join the new made. Okay, and the mission and visual malcoin, you can say it as a token. There is a tokenomics and there is a malcoin tokenomics. This is there is a pre-sale founder is how much the percentage there is a pre-sale, how much percentage there is the founder, how much is the liquidity. Okay, this is the pre-sale token allocated to ping sale. The treasury is token allocated to the development. Okay, and you also see this the roadmap. This is the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and everything that it is. And guys, you can see there is everything that it is showing here. And frequently asked question, how to buy, how to what is there is a malcoin, everything that it is showing. A malcoin is the utility meme token on the Binance Smart Chain and will have its own ecosystem where you can use this token. Okay, and this is the social media. You can see it, there is our partners, the ping sale, Dex View, and it is audited by the Azure DeFi. Okay, and this is also verified. There is a website, guys. Now let me show you. There is an introduction of this company. Just you can see the introduction, guys. And this is the introduction of this company, malcoin white paper. There is a welcome to the there is a fascinating world of malcoin where cryptocurrency meets cat memes. In this white paper we explored the unique universe of malcoin. Okay, and the malcoin, there is an abstract. You can read this, and you can also see the malcoin abstract. This is the malcoin abstract, guys. That you can see the malcoin abstract introduction, and this is there is a malcoin born out of the internet's love for cat memes, seeks to bring joy and financial exclusivity through a decentralized there is an ecosystem. And you can see that the tokenomics, there is a symbol is MAO. You can add this symbol in your trust wallet or the MetaMask. Okay, just you can say total supply and everything that it is that are showing here, the liquidity. Okay, so if I get the technical overview, this is the technical overview, guys. There is a blockchain technology smart contract standard by the standard BIP20. The token name details, you can see there is a MAO coin symbol MAO, maximum supply this, network BSC, decimal is 18, and this is the smart contract address and type is BIP20 utility token. This is the smart contract there is a functionality. So there you can see roadmap, guys. This is the roadmap of this website. That you can see there is a token of there is a phase 1, phase everything that it is showing here. Okay, the phase 1, the community building on the X brand awareness, and there is a phase 2, the building website, Discord, Telegram, influencer, the marketing smart contract. Phase 3, there is the launch, pre-sale, public sale. Okay, and there is a tokenomics, guys. You can see the tokenomics, everything that it is. There is a specification. There is a token name, malcoin, everything that it is showing here. Okay, and there is a listing strategy. This is the listing strategy, exchange, whatever the assessment. And the community support campaign, you can say establishing partnership. There is everything that are listing up. There is a details that are showing here. Okay, this is a team, and guys, you can see the team. There is a Mimi, there is a Jack Yang, Telegram, Discord. You can read. There is a email them. Okay, this is the CEO. There is a Telegram, Discord, and there is a email. Okay, and also see there is a official links of this website, guys. You can see there is a Telegram link, there is a X, a Twitter link, and there is a Discord, there is a Facebook, Instagram, and the TikTok white paper website, and the pancake swap. There is, you can see there is a pancake swap. There is a listing already. There is a pancake swap, and there is a finance. This is the malcoin MAO. We can just get the I understand the import, and after that, guys, you can see there is a import the MAO token. Okay, you can buy the MAO token in here. There are pancake swap. Okay, and there is also listing in there this website. There is a dextool.io, and this is there is a price of this dextool, guys. You can read this the price, everything, the total supply and everything. Okay, so you can see there is a price of this there is a token, how much that is showing here, and there is also see there is a malcoin, this there is a pink sale.finance, there is a have also this there is everything, the total supply, how much showing here, and the token for pre-sale 1 BNB show that is equal to there is how much, there is a first release for pre-sale 20%, soft cap 75 BNB, and the hard cap is 300 BNB, and the untold there is a token is refund. So everything, the pre-sale start time also showing at this time the pre-sale will start, and after pre-sale end time also this, and the liquidity person also manual listing. So after that, guys, you can see there is everything that I already told you details of this company, and there is you can read this by yourself. And guys, if you want to see, there is this website, there is a official links of this. There is a Dex tool. You can see there is a Instagram, guys. Let me show you. There is a Instagram of this company. This is the Instagram of this company, guys. You can follow them, and there is a social media, guys, and there is everything that is showing here. Okay, so now just to show you, there is a TikTok. This is a TikTok. This is the Facebook, guys. This is the Facebook. You can read this. The Facebook, the mouth malcoin. And guys, you can say there is I need to log in, guys. You can say malcoin, you can there is a follow them, everything that is showing here. Okay, and that is also showing the telegram. You can also join the telegram to, there is a get, there is a latest anything you can ask them, that they will reply you. Okay, there is a 1261 member, there is a showing here. Okay, and then also see there is a X or TikTok. You can see that there is there is a Twitter. You can also visit that Twitter to follow them, and you will get the latest there is a notification anytime. Okay, so guys, there is until today we'll see the next another earnings videos, and guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel also.